What's going on, Mixing Nights? I am Nathan Mixon with MixingFitness.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do a archer push-up. Now, archer push-up, you may be wondering what that is. Well, it's going to help isolate the muscles to help build a bigger chest, also work on your triceps, things of that nature, and also your core too, if you get that balance down correctly. Now, knowing how to do a regular push-up would definitely help, or wide grip push-up for that matter too as well. But with that being said, subscribe to my channel, turn on your push notifications, also hit the like button, and if this video helps you find that value that you're looking for. Okay, so an archer push-up. Pretty much you're going to come into a low plank position, or actually a plank position, and you're going to have a wide grip on your hands. Okay, so we're going to come down to the ground a little bit. All right, start off with your shoulders over your wrists, and then you just spread your hands out a little bit further. Your feet are going to be about 6 to 12 inches apart. So when you do your archer push-up, what are you going to do? You're going to bend your body into one side. All right, keep your eyes on the straight arm. So one arm is going to be straight, and one arm is going to be bent. So I'm going to bend down like this, nice and easy, keeping the arm straight, looking at the hand, come right back up. That's going to be 1 rep. You're going to do about 15 reps on each side. Now, you can alternate your arms too. So if you want to go from one side, you can come all the way over to the next. All right, but that's going to be too easy. If you really want to challenge yourself, you know, do one side at a time, okay? Knock it out, bam. Keeping that arm straight, engaging the core the whole entire time. All right, you're gonna really feel this in your back too as well. So if you do feel like the workout is a little bit too taxing, spread your feet apart. It's gonna help you distribute that weight, okay? But if you really wanna challenge yourself, bring your feet back together. So now from here, we're gonna do 15 repetitions. All right, so boom, just knocking them out. All right, so if you like workouts like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. If you find value with this workout, definitely hit that like button. And also, yeah, share with your friends. Try this workout out. Let me know how you fare. If you find it too difficult, maybe drop to your knees if you need to do that, okay? But make sure you have a nice little mat available, because this ground right here, it's kind of rough. All right, so I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.